Imagine standing in a place where even the world's smartest scientists can't fully explain what's happening. Strange lights, mysterious sounds, impossible formations. Today, we're counting down 10 real places on Earth that science still can't completely explain. Stay until number 1. It might completely change your view of our planet. In California's Death Valley, enormous rocks weighing hundreds of kilograms seem to move by themselves across the desert floor. For decades, no one witnessed the movement. Scientists showed that a rare mix of thin ice, shallow water, and wind can move some stones. However, not every movement has been observed, leaving researchers fascinated. Imagine a waterfall that looks like it's bleeding. Blood Falls pours bright red water from a glacier in Antarctica. Scientists know the color comes from iron-rich water that oxidizes like rust. However, the ancient underground ecosystem feeding it remains an extraordinary natural mystery. Across the Namib Desert, millions of perfect circles exist where almost no plants grow. Scientists suggest termites, underground water competition, and self-organizing vegetation as possible reasons. Evidence supports parts of these theories, but the exact formation method remains debated. In New Mexico, thousands report a mysterious low-frequency humming sound called the Taos hum. Strangely, most people can't hear it. Investigations haven't pinpointed a single external source, making the Taos hum one of the most persistent unexplained mysteries in the world. Beneath the ocean near Japan lies a giant underwater rock formation. Some think it's a lost ancient city, while most geologists argue it formed naturally through erosion. The debate continues due to its astonishing appearance. From space, the Richat structure looks almost man-made. Known as the Eye of the Sahara, scientists believe it formed through uplift and erosion rather than an asteroid impact. However, its nearly perfect rings keep it among Earth's most remarkable geological features. Behind a waterfall in New York burns a small natural flame, almost never going out. Natural gas seeps through cracks in the rock to feed the fire. However, researchers found the surrounding rocks cooler than expected, creating an unusual geological puzzle. Half of a river in Minnesota disappears into a giant hole. For years, scientists couldn't figure out where the water went. Dye tests failed, leading to speculation. Recent studies suggest the water likely rejoins the river downstream through underground channels, though the exact location is tricky to trace. The Savanowski crater in Alaska is a perfectly round formation that has puzzled geologists for decades. It looks like a meteor impact, but usual evidence isn't found. It might be volcanic, or something else completely. Its true origin remains unresolved. Finally, we reach the world's most famous mystery, the Bermuda Triangle. Ships and aircraft have vanished here for decades. Researchers point to severe weather or navigational errors as likely causes. Yet, no single reason explains every disappearance, keeping this area one of the most debated places on Earth. Which place shocked you the most? Tell us in the comments. If you love mysteries, science, and unbelievable facts, subscribe now, because the next mystery might be even stranger.